ba? Yes, there's always in this section. Okay? Okay. This is about luxury, gadgets, cell phones, and others. Okay? At some point in our lives, we make a list of the things that we want to buy and need to have. Again, that is pertaining to luxury. Do you think that buying or updating gadgets when you have the basics like a working mobile phone and home computer is important these times? Why or why not? Again, we are pertaining to the luxury. Do you think that these things are important this time? Why and why not?
For me, it's not important because when you have simple things like mobile phone and computer, you don't need more luxury gadgets like other gadgets because in life we only need to be simple.